Whenever you find yourself on the side of the majority, it is time to reform, or pause and reflect. Never put off till tomorrow what may be done day after tomorrow just as well. The fear of death follows from the fear of life. A man who lives fully is prepared to die at any time. Never allow someone to be your priority while allowing yourself to be their option. The difference between the almost right word and the right word is really a large matter. 'Tis the difference between the lightning bug and the lightning. I do not fear death. I had been dead for billions and billions of years before I was born, and had not suffered the slightest inconvenience from it. Don't part with your illusions. When they are gone you may still exist, but you have ceased to live. Always do what is right. It will gratify half of mankind and astound the other. The trouble is not in dying for a friend, but in finding a friend worth dying for. I've lived through some terrible things in my life, some of which actually happened. Never tell the truth to people who are not worthy of it. There is nothing in the world like persuasive speech to fuddle the mental apparatus.